Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Easton from the Shady Bros. Today we're gonna open some packs. This is my cousin Layton.
Hello.
He's the one that got the packs. So we're gonna try to open them and see what we get. Let's get Shady Bros.
I'm gonna open up the small pack.
Now let's see what we got.
Russell, Gage, Jamal, Andrew, Waddell.
Randall Moore.
Some are upside down for some reason.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, that one.
I mean, they
And then the
look,
back.
kind
Any
of.
special ones?
This one might be special because it's supposed to be laid down like that.
Alright guys, we open. Now we have one more pack. This is the last pack. This is the big one. So
We'll give them to Leighton. They're his cards.
I don't know how to read.
There's the.
Ooh.
Jeez.
No, that's not. That's
That's the 49ers.
Yeah.
49ers. I mean,
I don't know who that is. I don't watch football that much,
Saints.
so.
I think
Brian
MVP.
Dawkins. He's
MVP.
oh.
Mac Jones and someone. Let's see. Justin Jefferson. That might be worth some money.
Yeah, probably.
Darrell Davis. So I'm just going to put this. Gonna say the Chiefs someone. Not Patrick Mahomes. Sad.
Joe Montana.
LA.
You guys want to say anything?
Oh, let's hope we find $1 million card.
Joe Montana. That one and that one and that one might be worth some money too.
I think this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one.
The floor one.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that is it, guys.
Justin.
Yeah, Justin.
Justin.
We got
Justin!
Not you. We
Yeah,
got
it's you.
you. That's actually Dad in high
All right,
school
guys.
football.
Say goodbye. We're going to the beach.
See ya. We're going to the beach. I'm not.
Bro,
Oh, for-
you did